Hi, heartfelt families. Thanks for joining me in this infant activity. Today we will be doing cupcake exploring. How fun does that sound? The items you will need, or items that you can find around your house, are a Ziploc bag, some water, and then you can use cupcake mix, you can use cake mix, you can use brownie mix, you can use whatever you can find around your house. I didn't have any of those, so I'm using buttermilk biscuit mix. That's all I had around my house. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your bag. You're going to put some of your mix in the bag. And you are going to pour it into your bag. This is so the infants can explore it. They can play with it. For the younger ones, they can do tummy time on the floor. You know, tummy time is the best time. Pour some water in there. Zip it up. I'm going to put not enough water. Oh, that's perfect. Alright. So, then you can, if you have tape around the house, I would put a piece of tape over the top of the bag and fold it over just like this. That way the infants can't rip it open, pull it open. I mean, it's safe for them to eat, but it's up to you guys. If you want that, if the older ones, you want them to play with it on the tray, you're more than welcome to have them play with it on the tray, because it's safe for them to eat. It's not like it's not safe for them to eat. It's really something that's up to you guys to let them play with. The younger ones, they can do tummy time with it, and they can feel how cold it is. They can feel the different sensory. They can mix it up. They can crawl over it for some of them that are just starting to learn to crawl. This helps, the sensory. For the ones that are mixing it, they'll see the different colors. If you have like that confetti cake mix, they'll see the colors start to blend. So yeah, this hits our fine motor. It hits our creative art because they are pretending to make a cupcake in a bag. This hits our sensory. It can also hit our mathematic if you guys decide to actually make cupcakes with your children. If you do end up making cupcakes with your children, we would love to see pictures of you guys making cupcakes and eating them and, letting them stir, and that would be so much fun. If you guys do that, that would be great to share some pictures with us. Even if you don't, no worries, just share some pictures of them enjoying their cupcakes in a bag, sensory bags, I'm sorry. If you guys could share those pictures, that would be great. Thanks for joining me in this activity, and I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.